We're back at Camp Nou to bring you the latest from every corner of the stadium. New lamellas have been installed in the south goal and lateral stands. Supports are going up. Lifting platforms are busy placing these new lamellas sections, and escalators are transforming the stand zones. Stay tuned as we capture all the progress and exciting changes in this incredible construction project. We started by checking the upper sections of the stands, areas usually not visible from below. Prefabricated stands in the south goal corner are gradually taking shape, with workers testing their quality and ensuring safety nets are in place. On the lower level, activity is slightly slower but steady. Prefabricated stairs now reach the second overhang, and materials are stacked for future use. Glass supports are installed on the first overhang, ready for the next phase. There's a large amount of material stored across the site, including lamella supports and stair sections. This ensures smooth workflow as the project continues in the coming months. In the lateral stands, lamellas are being installed. Many sections already have lamellas in place, while vertical supports are ready and false ceiling supports are still pending. Installation will continue systematically across different areas. The parking ramp is progressing well. Formwork panels have been removed, and the concrete walls are clearly visible. New access doors with fences have been installed, giving a clear view of the structure. Prefabricated stands and stair sections are becoming more familiar. Some smaller pieces, possibly tower crane parts, are stored on site. Rebar installation and formwork for the ramp are advancing steadily with workers in place. Work has been slightly slower due to December and match schedules, but next week is expected to return to full activity with 5 days of construction. Material storage, stair structures, and lamella zones are well organized. From the ground, vertical pieces are being installed on black beams using lifting platforms. Prefabricated stairs are being brought in, and the structure is mostly consistent with what was seen from above. The lamellas in the lateral zone look impressive in person. New lamellas are installed in the right section, and lower areas are still under construction. The back block wall has been painted black, enhancing the visual appeal. Missing stands at the top are being checked, and most gaps are accounted for. Lifting platforms continue to place new lamellas, including a red lamella installed next to a pillar yesterday morning. In the afternoon, 6 lamellas were already on site, and since yesterday afternoon, about 3 more have been installed in this corner section. In the lower area, 3 lifting platforms are currently working, 1 wide platform at the back and 2 near the zone where the new lamellas are being placed. The upper area and walls have been painted black, which greatly enhances the depth and overall look. The lamellas now stand out and have become the main focus of the construction works. At the north goal corner, an interesting piece has been placed, although its purpose is unclear. Nearby, other pieces resemble a mini tower crane. The hydraulic hammer in this section is currently idle. New supports have been installed in the corner, while on the left side, lamellas are waiting to be installed. Additional pieces for the compression ring are stored along the lateral section, ready for installation in the coming weeks. Stair structure and pillar work workers are active on the stair structure, and the middle section of one pillar has already been formworked. Other areas of the north goal corner are mostly unchanged. A truck delivered boxes, likely insulation material such as rock wool. Lamella supports in this corner remain in place, and workers are on beam supports. This area is quieter compared to the rest of the stadium. On the lateral side, the first overhang level has many painted supports, while the second and third levels are still pending. Lamella supports are being placed even where paint is missing, and we'll monitor whether painting or placement is prioritized. At the diamond section near the store, Most supports are fully installed, except for a few missing on the left side. Only minor work remains to complete all supports in this section. New escalators are being added, one installed last week, another now, and a third above. The previously calm stand area is now very active with escalator installations, which are coming in pairs. Ongoing work. Inside the stands, workers continue with stair structures, platforms, and tube placements under the alveolar panels. A concrete pump is actively pouring a pillar, while the lower level sees less activity. Overall, construction is progressing steadily. That's all for today's Camp Nou update. We'll keep monitoring every area and share all progress in upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe to Mega Builds Pro, and turn on notifications and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Mega Builds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with more fresh updates, only here on Mega Builds Pro.